up YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Today we are back at Circuit of the Americas, and we're going to be checking out their insanely monthly car show that they have here, and it already looks like it's going to be a super packed one. Like always, the car show is pretty much from 8 to 11, I believe, and it gets super packed here super early. So if y'all ever want to make it out here, be sure that y'all get here early because it gets absolutely outrageous. So yeah, like and subscribe, comment down below what your favorite car is here, and let's get to it. So here in front of me we got the brand new Porsche GT3 RS, and it has the active aero wing, and honestly in my opinion this is my first time actually seeing it. It looks super crazy. Like the wing, the first one that they had on the previous GT3 before the RS, it looked really good with that swan neck, but with the active aero and everything added onto this crazy race spec model, it looks absolutely insane. So right here, hopefully y'all like it with a few of these edits, and like down below if you really do like it, because I really appreciate how Porsche makes their cars now. I want to stay here at the entrance and see a bunch of these cars coming in because they get really noisy, just like that Camaro right there. Jesus Christ. Check out this Mark II. I love the way that one looks. And then an S14 right there. I love the body kit that this girl has on it. That looks good. Oh my god, she needs some freaking hangers for her exhaust. It looks like that thing's about to fall off. Alright, so here is a beautiful, sort of like an Eleanor replica Mustang GT350 or GT500. And I'm not really sure, I'm not too good with those years, but this one looks incredibly good. So we're gonna go check it out, get a little few edits with it, because wow, does it look just so damn good. The F430 leaving the show, and it sounds crazy good with the exhaust system that it has on it. Hopefully right here we can follow it and get a little bit more revs from it. Wow, that sounds good. So I've never seen this color on a 720S or 765LT. I've never actually seen it on any McLaren before, and it looks really good. It's kind of like a British racing green, their own version of that color, and the carbon fiber all over the car looks absolutely incredibly good. So hopefully y'all like it down below. Check this car out. Hopefully I can get a few edits, but there is so much people here that it's pretty hard to even do that here. Lambo doing Lambo things. Yep, McLaren showed him who's boss. And I guess this guy's going to do it too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice little rev off battle. Not bad. Drew a nice little crowd. These boys got rowdy here. Ooh, those turbo sounds sound crazy. Yeah, buddy. Not bad. You ask here and you shall receive. Not bad. Look at that shit. Oh my lord. He's ready for a day on the lake. Oh my lord. Mach 1 showed him up. Some sort of anti-lag two-step. Holy shit. Wow. Check that 964 Porsche out, G. Not bad. You too. Come on. Oh yeah. Listen to those turbos. What the hell? Alright. So here is a crazy, crazy surprise. We got Shahan Chandrasoma's dad and his white gold Aventador SVJ. This thing sounds brutally crazy. He has a 1016 exhaust, one of two exhausts, so this thing must sound absolutely insane. Can I hear it? Hey Shahan, what's up, bro? Can I hear this? Please, come on. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Damn. That's fucking crazy. Hey, CJ, come on. Oh, shit. Check that out, bro. Look at that. Underglow freaking flames. You know Shahan Chandrasoma pulled up when you see that shit. Alright, so yeah, we got Shahan Chandrasoma, his dad, and CJ pulling up here, and well, they already showed up. He got his green Kayvani Urus. We also got his 1016 Industries Auto Helios Lamborghini SVJ, and then right beside that is his Mansory edition Lamborghini Aventador twin turbo by Underground Racing. That car sounded absolutely insane. When y'all could hear those turbos, it was just absolutely brutal. So hopefully y'all liked all of that. If y'all did, like down below, comment which one was y'all's favorite car right here, because holy crap, this was a crazy turnout. pretty much do it for today's Cars and Coffee here at Circuit of the Americas. It was a super duper crazy event, so hopefully y'all liked all the content that I was able to capture for y'all. I was absolutely blown away by Shahan Chandrasoma's brand new Mansory twin turbo Aventador. It sounded super crazy, so hopefully y'all liked all of that. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video because it was a super wild one.